Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, we are basically going to talk about one thing that has the markets given a breakout in here or not, right? Or whether this is a fake breakout or are we going to come down or what is going to happen further on. And also a major thing which we are going to learn is how do we basically know the truth about reversals and how do we basically write those big trends in here, right? So yeah, if you're someone who's really interested into trading and serious about it, do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such content, and let me know down in the comment section below if you need anything else. So straight away, let's get into this video and understand that what is basically happening in the markets. First thing, according to what I do is I do not analyze Nifty in here because of the sole reason that there are too many gaps and gap ups and gap downs, right? So if we just go ahead and look at SGX Nifty, right? This is the thing which I analyze. Now coming into SGX Nifty, there are no gaps in here, right? So let's just shift into higher time frame. So we analyze into multiple time frame analysis that where the market is headed to, right? So you can clearly see that this is a beautiful channel pattern which the market is following. And last week we have some kind of a rejection candle in here, right? Just because of that, does it mean that the markets would straight away fall down continuously within 1 week back to 15,000 levels? No, it doesn't play that way, right? So what we are going to do is further shift into 1-day time frame analysis and look at how the markets are behaving right now. So looking at SGX Nifty right now, yes, it did take a resistance in here, and this was kind of a bearish candle which has engulfed the previous 3 to 4 days candles in here. And obviously that is a very common thing because it is nothing to be afraid of, as the markets were continuously going on the higher side without any pullbacks. Now if you look in here, we had a pullback in here, we had a pullback in here as well, and also there was some kind of consolidation in here. So this is nothing to worry about. Now what are we going to do? Are we going to go long or short, and when should we do either of that, right? So it is very simple. At this place we are not going to do anything, right? So let the daily close of the candle, let it come to near about 17,500 in SGX Nifty. So how are you going to play on that level? It is very simple. To go long, we need some kind of a bullish pattern of candlesticks at this level, and then we can further on buy it, and then we can trail our up profits up till here. So it might form a M pattern like this, and after that it might come down again and it might give a breakdown below this level, and then it might take a resistance at this point again and come down further down to close to around 16,800 levels, right? So this is how we are going to play. If the zone is given a broken breakdown in here, we will go short. If not, with a bullish pattern in here, we are going to go long and trail in our profits up till here, as in the long trade, and the short trade we are going to go down in here at this place, right? This is as simple as that. Now does the story end here itself? No. Please watch this video till the end so that you can understand an overall view. After looking at this place also, you need to also understand what the market sentiments are of on the global sentiments, right? And on the global levels. So if you just look at market sentiments on the global level, is what I mean as Dow Jones index. I analyze Dow Jones future so that it is pretty much clear for me. Again, I don't analyze Dow Jones in here, right? On spot chart. So if you look in here, markets at Dow Jones has similarly reversed from the same place of this previous swing as to Dow Jones futures, where SGX Nifty is also reversed, right? So I feel that according to that, even Dow Jones can come up to this level. This is the major support. This is a very minor support in here. So if it comes down to this level, similarly we can find that Nifty could come and break down this level also and come up till in here as well, right? Or if it takes support and bounces back, similarly Nifty can come in here and take support at this particular place and bounce back and make some kind of an M pattern. So to write those big trends, the truth is that about reversals or the big trends, that you need to go along with the major trends of the world, the world markets, which is basically the mother market of Dow Jones, right? That is what I meant to say. If you look at even cryptos, if Bitcoin is bearish, the entire cryptocurrencies, all the other tokens will be bearish, and similarly the vice versa. The same thing goes with in here as well. So yes, global sentiments definitely play a role in our markets as well for us to capture those big trends in here. And you can take multiple examples that since Dow Jones has reversed from in here, even Nifty has reversed from here. So this is the real truth about reversals and how you basically capture the big trends in here and accordingly trade with your stop losses. Remember that even if you're wrong, it doesn't matter. It is okay to be wrong. If you go long in here with some kind of a bullish pattern, and if it breaks down, no issues. Just take in your SLs, a small SL, and take a reverse trade which is going short, and you can get in your big targets, because this is a game of probability. So there's nothing sure that 100% you will get it, right? And as long as you're profitable by the end of the month, you don't have to worry about anything else. Similarly, if we have shorted and if it reverses and closes on the higher side, no issues. Just close in your stop losses with a small stop loss and go long again and take a big target. So this is how we are going to play Nifty, and along with looking at what the American markets are doing with the global sentiments. And this was all about the video. If you like this video, please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel and support me through that. Comment down in the section below if you need anything else, and do like the video. Telegram links and the social media handles are right in the description below if you just want to follow us or have a chit chat with us, right? Until next time, take care, stay safe, and happy trading, folks. Bye bye.